Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can install Visual Studio Code in your PC. What you have to do, you have to go to the browser. In this case I'm going to use Firefox, and here you have to search Visual Studio Code. Press enter and go to the first link, and then here you can see download for Windows. You just have to click here, download for Windows, and it will actually start downloading. You have to wait for some times, and when the download will be complete I will be back. All right, here you can see we have downloaded it. Now we just have to go to the download folder, and we have to double click on it, and now we have to say here I accept the next. Then you have to select the browser, select the destination where you actually want to install it. So I'm going to go to the web development drive. Here you can see, so okay, and then go for the next, create a desktop icon. I will select it, and then okay, all right, next, install, and here you can see it start installing, and we have to wait for some times. Here you can see the installation is done. Now you can actually uncheck it, and you can launch it whenever you actually want. But let's say I want to start it now, so I will select it and click on finish. All right, here you can see the Visual Studio Code interface. So this is the welcome interface, and if you don't want to show it, here we have an option. You just have to uncheck it. Okay, and now let's say I want to show here some settings, so we'll go to the settings at first. Here you can see settings. From here we'll type font, and here you can see font, and you have to actually give here the size, font size according to your needs. Let's say 21. Press enter, done. And then we have live server, so you just have to install it. Here you can see I have install it already, so you will find it like this. You have to install it. Okay, live server, and then live preview. If you are a web developer, then that time actually you need to install it. Okay, live preview, to actually show the to see the real-time output. Okay, but let's say you want to do C++, so you need to go for some extension, and that is C/C++. Press enter, and here you can see the first one. So yeah, you can actually install it. So here you can see I just have to click here install, and it will be installed. Okay, and then you have to go for the code runner. So search here code runner, and yeah, the first one you have to install it also. And for Python actually you have to install something else. So here you can see Python. So these are actually extension if you want to get some help from the, let's say you want to write something and then it will be automatically done for you, then you can actually go through all these extension, like I show you shown here that how you can actually install them, right? So these are the things. Now everything is okay with it. Now you can actually add folder and work with it. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.